Welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by ThinkBright. Today we're going to set up a Trixbox server behind the router. Keep in mind that this video tutorial is only meant for those of you who have a Trixbox server configured with an internal IP address and sitting behind a router. So let's proceed by logging into your router, finding the port forwarding section, and port forwarding the following port ranges: 10,000 through 20,000 UDP, 5060 through 5068 UDP, 4569 UDP. All of them, as I mentioned, are UDP, and all of them need to be port forwarded to the internal IP address of your Trixbox server. Now, once this is done, we can proceed to the Trixbox maintenance page. Go to the PBX section of the maintenance page and click on Config File Editor. We need to now put certain settings onto your Trixbox so that the audio traffic can find its way in and out of your network. Without doing this, you might find certain issues as one-way audio or no audio at all. Find the file called sip_custom.conf and click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste a couple of lines of code in here, and I'm going to go through each one. Keep in mind what you see in front of you is just an example. You're going to need to change these settings to reflect the settings on your network. Extern IP. This stands for external IP and is the external IP address of your internet connection of where you have your Trixbox. To find this out, you could take a computer and put it on the same network as your Trixbox server and then go to a website such as www.whatismyip.com and go ahead and put that in here. Local net is the local area network information of your Trixbox network. So for this example, we have a router that's 192.168.1.1. And let's say my computer is 1.100. Either way, through network settings, I could find that my default, my subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now this is very important. This address over here, 192.168.1.0, is not your router IP address. This is your network IP address. So if your router's IP address is 192.168.1.1, then your network address is 192.168.1.0. Then go ahead and put in on the next line context equals from-trunk. When you're done, hit update, click reread configs, and some of you might find it useful to actually reboot your Trixbox, but most of the time you do not have to do this. After this is all done, audio should now be able to come in and out of your network with no trouble. Thank you for watching. This has been another video tutorial brought to you by ThinkBright.